Many investors like the idea of EB-5, but get stuck because they don't understand the direct investment route, the order of steps, or the risks involved. In this video, I'll walk you through the EB-5 direct investment process, step by step. Hello, my name is Peter. I'm an AI avatar and explainer for Larhdel Law. I'm here to explain how the EB-5 direct investment visa works, from investment to green card. Step 1. Choose the right business investment. With a direct EB-5 investment, you invest in your own U.S. business. That business must be a real, for-profit U.S. enterprise, actively operating, structured to meet EB-5 rules. The investment must be at risk, not a guaranteed return. Step 2. Invest the required capital. You must invest the required EB-5 amount before or during the application process. The funds must be lawfully sourced, clearly documented, fully committed to the business. Poor documentation of funds is one of the biggest EB-5 refusal reasons. Step 3. Create U.S. jobs. Your business must create at least 10 full-time U.S. jobs. With direct EB-5, jobs must be real employees, on the company payroll, created within the required time frame. This is stricter than some other EB-5 options and requires careful planning. Step 4. File the EB-5 petition. Once the investment and business structure are in place, the EB-5 petition is filed. Immigration will assess the investment, the business plan, job creation projections, and source of funds. Clarity and organization matter at this stage. Step 5. Conditional green card, then permanent residence. If approved, you receive a conditional green card. Later, you must prove jobs were created. Conditions are removed, leading to permanent residence. This final step is where long-term planning pays off. The EB-5 direct investment route offers control and flexibility, but it also carries more responsibility. Success depends on getting the structure right from the start. If you're considering an EB-5 direct investment and want to understand whether this route is right for you, speak with an immigration lawyer before committing funds. You can contact Larhdel Law in the UK on 01708 206161 or in the US on 310-943-6352 or visit lardhellaw.com. At Larhdel Law, we help investors turn well-planned investments into successful green card outcomes.